Hello students, good morning. I wishes you all are all right, your family goods, and then crucial time periods in all worlds. Be safe at home. So we start the next class. In the previous topic, we stopped the arithmetic progressions at part 7. So we start part 8. In previous video, I have discussed all the topics of the arithmetic progressions, means the formula of n terms, sum of n terms, special terms, and the sequence, special series, first negative terms, nth term from n. So we make at least 2 video for only a word problem, special word problems of arithmetic progressions. Means what's specialties at every times in every year at least one word problems come from the arithmetic progressions. So we take all the word problems which are comes in any previous years or the previous to previous years. So let's start. We take the first word problem. So first word problem we have also read soon. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12th. There are 3 sections of each class. So how many trees will be planted by the students? Very easy questions, only the understanding of word problems. What's our say? Question: class first 3 section, first to 12, 1 to 12, 3 section each. If number of plants planted by class 1, so 1 plant, number of plant planted by class 2, 2 plant, number of plants planted by class 3, 3 plants, and so on. Number of plants planted by class 12, 12 plants. But each class have 3 sections. So total number of plant planted by class 1 into 3, that is 3 plants into 3 into 3 into 3, means 6 plants, 9 plants, 36 plants. So how many total plants planted by all the students? I hope so. If you understand these lines, so the question solution is very easy. Total number of plants means we want the sum of all classes plants, means sum of all plants 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus dash 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 plus 36. First class, second class, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, dash dash 12th class. So it is easy in AP. The main problems in what problem? Here, no anywhere are given that the given sum or given plants in AP. So always first you show that the number of plants in AP. How? D1 6 minus 3 3, D2 9 minus 6 3, D1 equal to D2. So number of plants planted in AP means जो all the plants by the classes planted by that is in AP. So all plants is equal to sum of 12 means sum of all 12 class. Formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or formula n by 2 a plus l. So these both formula to find the sum of the terms in AP. Here first and last both terms are given and number of terms also given, first term given. So we use both the formulas. So why we use the long formula? We use this formula. So we take the a plus l. So that is 12 by 2 3 plus 36, that is equal to 6 into 39. 6 into 39 means 5 23 234 trees will planted by the student. 234 trees are planted by the all students. I hope you understand. So take next question. Also word problems based on AP. One more things, I'm always giving a tips before the questions. It's useful for your future exams and understand the questions. Means if the questions come in the board examinations, so it is not given that the question is come from the AP. This question is comes from Quadratic. It's not given. Only the question is written and the question answer solve it. So that's your basic needs. You can identify the questions, how we solve the question, or the question is related from this which chapter. So we read the question. A spiral is made of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center at A of radius 0.5 cm, 1 cm, 1.5 cm, 2 cm as shown in figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Means the question wants the total length of wire to make the 13 such types of semicircular spirals. What's the question say? Radius (0.5 centimeter), 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, and so on. Number of spiral 13. That is the end. What's question say? A and B. A point and the B point 0.5 centimeter apart. I have no. Can be used. Okay, right. If we take A as a center and of radius 0.5 centimeter, make first spiral. First semicircular spiral have the wire length this. So the length of wire in first spiral. What's the formula? If radius is 0.5, the length of the spiral using first semicircular spiral, that is pi r1. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r, but it is the semicircle. Only wire using here in this portion, so that is only pi r. Pi r1. If we take next point, first we take A point, next then we take B point, means B as a center, and take radius 1 centimeter, make another spiral. I hope so you have two visible. We take the different color for understanding. When you take B as a center, so radius 1 centimeter. So here the length of the wire used in second spiral, that is pi r2. I hope so you are visible to see the spiral. You understand? If you're not visible, so we can make the dot for you also. Okay, then make third spiral of radius 1.5 and center A. So this is 1.5 centimeter, pi r3, and so all such types of 30 spirals was increasing by 0.5 centimeter radius in each case. So what is the total length of wire used in 13 spirals? Very simple questions. Don't be any types of irritations. If you only think, understand the concepts little bit. Length of wire used in first spiral, pi r1, that is pi into 0.5 centimeter, means 0.5 pi. Circumference of semicircle. Length of wire used in second spiral, red portion, pi r2, pi into 1 centimeter, only pi centimeter. Length of wire used in third spiral, pi r3, pi into 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 pi centimeter. We can find at least 3 terms. Same things, word problems, it is not given. The wire in AP, length of wire in AP, radius in AP is not given. So we firstly prove that. D1. Second minus first. D2. Third minus first. D1 is equal to D2. So the length of wire used in spiral, semicircular spiral in AP. Very common steps and very important steps. So D1 is equal to D2. Then same thing. Total length of wire used in 13 spiral, that is S13. Here the length of wire used in last spiral is not given, so we have to use the formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 13 by 2, 2 into 0.5 pi. We are not using the value of pi here. We have to use the value of pi at the end of the solution. 13 minus 1, 0.5 pi. A N and D. Put all the values, then solve it. 13 by 2, 2 into 0.5, only pi. Here 12 into 0.5, 6 pi. If you don't understand, so we can solve here. 12 into 0.5 pi, 12 into 5 upon 10 pi, 5 to 10, 2 6 are 12, 6 pi. So 13 by 2 into 7 pi. Now we have to put the value of pi. 13 by 2 into 7 into 22 upon 7. 7 cancel, 2 11 is the, so 11 into 13, 3, 143 centimeter wire used in all 13 spiral. 143 centimeter length of wire used in all 13 spiral. Okay, I hope so you understand the questions. Pause the video, note down. Take the next question. Read the questions. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs placed, and how many logs are there in the top row? Very important questions. But they are all the questions of the NCERT. So, see what's the question say? 200 logs are stacked means total number of logs 200. 20 logs in the bottom row. 20 logs in the bottom row. Then, but natural things, if 20 in the bottom, so one step up, there is only 19 logs. One more step up, there is 18 logs. So in the same manner, the logs are increased, but there are only the 200 logs. Counting is 200. The bottom 20, then next 19, 18, and so on. There's total 200 logs are stacked here. So, how many rows? How many logs in the top row, and how many rows? Number of rows means the question want n. Number of logs in top row, that means the question want L. If I say first log contain 20, first row contain 20 logs, 19 logs, 18 logs, dash, and so on. If the numbers are in special orders, means natural numbers, integers, whole numbers, even number, odd number, decreasing order in particular multiples form, particular division form, so they all are always in AP. They never want to prove them. Multiples of 7 in AP? Yes. So they are decreasing orders, natural numbers form. 20, 19, 18, 17, dash. So it is already in AP. So what's given? Total number of logs 200 means Sn is given. Very simple question. Sn given, n is not given, but here A is given 20, D is given second minus first, that is -1. And the question what n? L is not given. So first you find Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 200 is equal to n by 2, 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into -1. Put the value, then solve them to find the value of n. Solve it. Then solve it. N by 2, same, 40 minus n plus 1. You can send to here. 400 n, 40 plus 1, 41 minus n. 400, same note down. 41n minus n square. Send all the terms to same side. N square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Then splitting middle terms. So 400 and 41. So how we split them? You get the 41. So 20 and 20 नहीं होगा 20 40. Yes, correct. 25. Yes. So n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equal to 0. I am not explaining the steps how we get this because the splitting middle terms you have to already study in class 9th, also in class 10th, in 2 chapters, monomers and quadratic equations. Taking n as a common, n minus 25, here minus n is common, minus 16 is common, sorry, n minus 25, then n minus 25, n minus 16 is equal to 0, then when n minus 25 is equal to 0, n is equal to 25, when n minus 16 is equal to 0, n is equal to 16. Here two answer is given. And in previous video I explained the AP giving two values for n, but some special cases, not everywhere. Here, if I say, think it, if 1, 2, 3 logs in bottom, 4 logs, then 3, then 2, then 1. How many rows? Count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. If 4 logs in bottom, there are 4 rows. If 5 logs in bottom, there are 5 rows. Means number of logs in bottom is the number of rows have the maximum rows. Means here if 20 logs in bottom, so here the maximum 20 rows. If 20 logs is bottom, so there are only 20 rows maximum. Means here is a 25 is not possible. Not possible if you write down, because it is more than 20. So number of rows is equal to 16. That's your first answer. Okay, I hope you understand why we take 16 not 25, because in the bottom have 20 logs, so their maximum number of rows is 20. This is 25, so it's not possible here. We have to give the example, so we take the 16 rows. Then we want to find the number of logs in last row, A plus n minus 1 into D. A 20 plus 16 minus 1 into minus 1, 20 plus 15 minus 1, 20 minus 15, that is the 5. 5 logs in the last row, that is the 16th row. The number of rows is 16 and the last row have the 5 logs. Pause the video, note down.